Andre Inco. Kanye versus
And there's a little bit more speed. Pero entrance sa 4 minutes magkakaalaman. Kung habang 4 minutes, ang liquidity, 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Nag-warm up pa kayo? Good charity on that.
2-0.
O yung mga player, nag-warm up ha? Calendar. Ito. Wow!
Pati ako naiwan.
Number 1. Hey! Hey! Yay!
3-1.
Sulit ang pinayag yung wala. Oh, man! Too strong for Kanye. Pwede pang super sa Angelio. Oh, man! Shotgun. Ginagawa ni Jason yung movie natin na shotgun. Grabe. Isang minuto pa lang ang lumilipat. Ang bilis na sa akin ito. Ganda na scores 4-2. Yun. Yes. Yun ang mga
Score natin 4-2.
1 minute and 8 seconds pa lang. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Grabe pa palan. Tyler Irving. 10 on the left. Shot. No, not good. 1 minute pa lang. Meron pang minutes mo. 6 na. Sobra. Jason Garcia leading the way. Tyler Irving on the session. Kanye. Shot. Ganda. Too strong. 6 minutes, 24 seconds. Ayan na. Medyo bumabagal na tayo. 16. Pwede eh. Ang sarap eh. Sarap pa na ako. Ang sa'yo, lagong sa katawan, lagong sa height. Yeah. 5-2. Hila. 5 minutes of it. Kanye. In and out. Kanye Irving is 17 years old. Hindi pa tuloy. Ay, Aristeo naman. Almost out. 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Jason Aristeo. Collins instead. Kailangan na lang ng dalawa ni Jason Aristeo. And there's a foul. Sa dalawa. Jason makes 2. In and out. Hindi na doon passes si Jason doon. Hindi niya inabot. Kanye. Shot. Oh, man. Down to 5 minutes. Scores 6-3. Pair of Jason. Nag-iba na yung speed. Binigyan ka naman po.
Boss,
Timers eh.
wala ba kayo rematch ni halftime?
Tama tayo.
Halftime, wala rematch.
Seryoso. Sobra. 4 minutes if you can. Let's go. Kanye. Let's see. He's up. Nag-go. Brings it in. Aristeo. 6-4. Aristeo. Shot. Madaro. Nakakatalo pag hindi pumapasok yung tira. Kanye power. Layup. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Oh man, Charity breaks in. Last ball. Jason leads 1. Check ball. Tyler Irving. Kings low. All right, Jason, he just needs 1. Jason, will he going to risk or go all out? Oh, man. Jason.